Welcome to Stafford Audi. Today I'd like to show you this approved used 2021 on a 21 plate Audi A4 Allroad Quattro Sport 50 TDI tiptronic in quantum grey metallic paintwork. Now this vehicle is an approved used vehicle, so it does come with a minimum of 12 months warranty and 12 months roadside assistance. For more information, contact us now on 01785 899 417. To start off with, let's take a full 360 degree tour around this stunning A4. Starting out at the front, we have these super bright LED headlights to illuminate any obstacles on the road in front of you. Then looking down, we have these 18-inch 5-spoke design alloy wheels that really complement the rugged and sturdy nature of the exterior of this vehicle. Standing back, we do also as well have the roof rails, perfect for attaching things such as bikes and roof boxes to, and we do have the privacy glass, meaning that rear occupants are protected from the sun, and it also means that any items you have in the back are hidden from view. Looking in the back, then we do have 3 spacious seats. The outer 2 do come with ISOFIX points, making this the perfect family car. And these seats do also fold as well 40-20-40, meaning you can get those larger and longer items through the centre very easily. We do have as well the optional panoramic glass sunroof, which lets plenty of light and air into the cabin. And we do have as well the 3-zone climate control in this vehicle, meaning that everybody in the vehicle is always comfortable at all times. Now standing to the rear, we do have the LED rear lights with the dynamic rear indicators, which as well as looking really stylish are really functional, meaning that you remain visible at all times. Now popping open the electrically operated tailgate, we do have plenty of space in the back, as you'd expect from such a vehicle. And you can fit those golf clubs in there, you can fit those suitcases in there for that week away with the family, and once the rear seats are folded, you can get larger items in there, such as a bike. We do have as well this very handy load cover, meaning that any items you do have in the back are well hidden from view. Now this vehicle does also have as well the optional tow bar, so if you just drop that away very easily, you can tuck that under the bumper and it looks as though you don't have anything there at all, and then when needed you simply pull the lever, the tow bar pops out and you can simply pull it into place. As you can see, I can do it one-handed very easily. Now coming down the side of the vehicle then, this vehicle does have the comfort and sound package, which does include the advanced key with keyless entry, so to lock the vehicle, tap the pad on the door handle there, and the vehicle is now locked, and to unlock, simply grab the door handle as shown. Looking inside then, we've got plenty of high quality materials on display. We do have running along the dashboard there, the aluminium finish in silver there, which looks really stylish and stands out against the black interior. And these seats are the Valcona leather seats. They're really comfortable, really supportive, especially on those longer drives, and they do also have plenty of adjustment in them as well. And we do get the adjustable lumbar support there, perfect for those longer drives. Also, as part of the optional comfort and sound package, you'll find the Bang & Olufsen surround sound system, perfect for those audiophiles out there who just want something extra from their sound system, and who doesn't really, eh? So that completes our initial 360 degree walk around of this approved used Audi A4 Allroad. For more information, contact us now on 01785 899 417. For the next part of this video, let's take a more in-depth look inside the A4 and some of the technology on offer in this stunning Avant. So we do have the 3-spoke leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel, which has all the important buttons right at your fingertips. So on the left, we've got the controls for Audi's virtual cockpit, which is your digital dash screen. Sat below that, we've got our cruise control and speed limiter, great for those longer drives, it just means it's that bit more comfortable. On the right hand side then, we do have our radio controls as well as our voice control and our telephone control, and sat behind that is Audi's famous virtual cockpit. Now this is our digital dash screen, and you can see things on there such as some of the vehicle settings, your media and radio station, your telephone as well as your map screen, and you can change the size of those dials to make it feel truly personalised. Now we do have a large central infotainment screen here as well, which is a touch screen, and we've got our plenty of digital audio broadcasting radio stations to choose from. There are loads on there, so if you're listening to anything, you're always never short of things to listen to. We've also got our media there via Bluetooth or USB. You've got your telephone for those important business calls on the way home. You've got your navigation, where you can also save your favourite destinations, so home is never far away. Looking at our phone apps then, you can connect your vehicle up to Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and that means you can use things such as Spotify and Siri without having to take your eyes off the road, making it much safer and much simpler. Looking at our car setting then, we've got Audi's famous Drive Select. So if you want to go for an economy run, put the vehicle in efficiency, whereas if you're fancying a spirited drive, Dynamic is perfect for you. You can also adjust the settings for yourself in the individual mode there, where you can select things such as your drive system and your steering input. Now going back but staying within our car setting, then this vehicle does also come with the extended LED interior lighting pack, which is part of the optional comfort and sound package. So you can choose from some pre-selected colourways there that Audi has chosen for you, or you can go into individual and choose from up to 30 different colours for your surfaces and contours for that ultimate mood in the vehicle that you're looking to create. Also, as part of the optional comfort and sound package, we do have the 360-degree surround view camera system, so you can choose from several different camera views around the vehicle, which will stop you curbing those lovely 18-inch alloy wheels, and you can also show off to your friends how great you are at parking. Below that, we've got our front controls for our 3-zone climate control, which means that both front passengers can be completely different temperatures to one another, should they choose. You can also have it individually, you can set the rear independently, or you can synchronise the entire system. We do have as well the heated front seats, perfect for those chilly winter mornings. Below that then we've got a 12-volt socket and a USB socket, perfect for those modern mobile devices. And we do have as well there our hill descent control, perfect for controlling you down those slippery slopes, especially great in winter. Now this vehicle is fitted with the tiptronic gearbox, which is silky smooth and pairs nicely with the 50 TDI engine. And we do get as well the reversing camera pop-up when you pop the vehicle into reverse. We've got a sliding centre armrest here, which fixes different height positions and plenty of storage underneath it, alongside a USB-C socket, perfect for charging those modern mobile devices. So that completes our look today at this approved used Audi A4 Allroad. For more information, to get a personalised finance quote or to book a test drive, contact us now on 01785 899 417. And as this is an approved used vehicle, it does come with a minimum of 12 months warranty and 12 months roadside assistance. Thank you for watching this video, and we hope to see you at Stafford Audi very soon.